Good day, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to wherever you are. Here is Mother Nature Obomoto One. Today, I want to speak with you now about this coronavirus. The latest information now we will get for us through the Prime Minister for Human Rights and Education. So, the people now we don't get that for Austria now 504 people now don't get the coronavirus for Austria. According to yesterday information, only one person now don't die, one elderly man with over 60 years old. Wetin made the man die for the coronavirus because the man don't get lungs problem with liver and heart problem also join. So his immune system was too weak. That is why the man died on coronavirus. So as I was saying, 504 people now don't get am now. So yesterday night they bring the breaking news come out. They can't give us list of places we go close. So the advice now wey they give every Austrians now make every Austrian person make they stay house. Anybody wey they live for Austria. That means make they no comot for house from 7 o'clock in the evening till 7 o'clock in the morning. Make nobody comot for house. So may na the day house. Once again, from 7 o'clock in the evening, may nobody dey outside again till 7 o'clock in the morning. That is what they said in the breaking news yesterday. So like schools, they don't lock schools now for Austria. Coming from this week, we want enter. Schools for Austria go dey lock. Kindergarten go dey lock. So now from house, they will take the learn everything wey they do with their teacher. They do everything online. They say make restaurants, make those one fit open, but not in 3 o'clock in the afternoon. After 3 o'clock, they must lock. And they talk about restaurants where people go they eat. Anywhere where be beer parlor, anywhere where they dance, they call and dance coffee. Where they go they dance, it be like almost beer parlor also. Disco, anybody where they go disco, where people they gather like party, where people they go like church, they don't ban and say me they close all those places. So as I'm saying, till 3 o'clock, now they say make restaurants where people go they eat, make they open. All those beer parlors, anywhere where they dance, nightclub, also till 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, those ones must close. Then places wey open, wey allowed to open na where they sell food store like African shop, Spar, Billa, Lindel, all those supermarkets where they sell food, they allowed to open. Also supermarkets where they sell animal food because of the pets, those one allowed to open. Then apotheke, which is pharmacy allowed to open. Anywhere where they say anything we get to do with health care, where they do health care things, they allow to open. Where they say medicine, all those things, they allow to open. Then tankstelle, which is filling station allowed to still open. Then bank, all the old banks still allowed to open. Then post and telecommunication, they still allowed to open. Post office allowed to open. All those places where they sell like internet or telephone, handset, they allow to open. Then people wey go they give people food for house, like if people order for food from restaurants, make they carry come, those ones still allowed to open. Then cleaning, which is Reinigung and Hygiene, people where they clean, wey go companies or people house go they clean, those one allowed to still they do their work. Then öffentliche Verkehrsmittel, which is bus, Straßenbahn, all those train station, all those things allowed to still open. Then traffic and titles kiosk allowed to open, which is where they sell cigar, where they sell newspaper, all those ones allowed to open. Then wetin dem come still talk, dem say people wey be Auslander, that is people wey no be Austrians, dey have 14 days to leave the country, especially people wey come from countries wey the coronavirus don dey, like Italy, all those places. Dey give dem 14 days to comot for their country. So now wetin come be the question wey people come dey ask be say, if person get Italy paper and e dey inside Austria, whether dem go still say make those one comot. Na come be the question now wey dem dey debate. According to dem now, na people wey get Italy passport, wey dey live for Austria since years, wey get family wey dey work here for Austria since years, dem no say make those one comot o. No be those one dem dey talk. Na the ones wey be say dem dey from Italy dey come Austria, wey be say dem no dey live inside the here, na those ones na im dey say make dem comot. Dey give dem 2 weeks to leave Austria. So today again dem say dem go still do debate about it again. Dem go still talk about am again. So if I hear any news wey go that particular place, because the way wey dem dey talk am, that part never still clear finish for some people, because the thing still dey confuse people. Like people wey come from Spain, dem say people wey come from Spain, wey come from France, wey come from Swiss, all those countries wey don get coronavirus, wey dey inside Austria, na im dey give 14 days to comot. So if I hear any more further information, I go still call una. I will still come here, I will still come talk am. Then e get people wey dey work for people wey dey take care of old people, wey those one wey dey lie down for house. E get people wey dey call them Vierundzwanzig-Stunden Pflege, na dem dey call those ones. Those ones go dey take care of the old people for house. Sometimes people wey dey do am, dey come from all those countries like Romania, Slovenia. Na from those countries some of them dey come. So those ones na they don tell them say make dem no come. So dem no get right to dey inside Austria. They no want again make dem come dey take care of the people, because their country don still get, like Slovakia now, they don lock down the border for Slovakia, and Romania they don dey beat quarantine also for that side. So those people, they say they no want make dem come here again, come dey take care of people for house again. So those one na is prohibited. Then older people wey dey this side already, they don tell people say make dem no go dey visit them again, because na dem dey very weak to get the virus quick. The way wey una fit still take protect una sef after everything, na only God na fit still help person. Na prayers na we fit still take pass this situation. Na make una dey wash hand. If una go outside, once una come back inside, una wash una hand. Before una take key put for mouth of una door, make na spray una door with disinfection till make na spray am, make na clean am. Disinfection una key before una put hand take open una door. Once una reach inside house, na immediately to wash hand with soap and warm water. No be cold water o. No be cold water. Now use warm water with soap take wash hand. Then una disinfection una hand. And make na no too much, if na dey outside, make na no too much dey carry una hand dey put for face, because una no know where una hand don touch. So make na no too much dey rub and put for face. And those ones, some people wey dey like to dey put finger inside nose, make una dey very careful. Make na dey put hand for face, make na dey put hand for inside nose if once una dey outside. So that is all I have to say. Once they say they go talk news again today, once I hear any new update, I will come here to inform una about it. I thank una for listening to me. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.